y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're not, it's me, Brianna Alexis, back at it again with another YouTube video. So today is Christmas Day. It's like 4 something in the morning, I believe. It's probably like 4:30 right now, I don't know. Yeah, so Merry Christmas to everybody that celebrates Christmas. Happy holidays, happy holiday, happy New Year's, happy Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. Merry, happy, all that. So today I'm going to be doing my first shoe unboxing, and I'm pretty happy because I've done every type of unboxing in the book besides the shoe unboxing. So today's going to be my first shoe unboxing. I want to add the little sounds in the background, like doo 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 doo. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Doo 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 doo. Before we get into the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, is it further ado or further ado? Without further ado. Without further ado. I think it's ado. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As you guys can tell by the title or the thumbnail, today I'm going to be unboxing the Yeezy V3 Safflower. I be wanted to call it Sunflower, but it's Safflower. My bad. So this is the box that it came in. It says 700 on it. I think all Yeezys come in this box. I'm not sure. This is my first pair of Yeezys ever, so I'm really not sure, but I think all pairs of Yeezys come in a box like this. So yeah, it just says 700 clear as day right here. On the side, 700 made by Adidas. Oh, 700 made by Adidas. I did get these in a 7.5. I wear 7 in men's, but people were saying to go up a half size, so I did go up a half size. Oh, and just to let you guys know, I did already try these on. I just didn't wear them like out anywhere. I tried them on, all that, they fit with all that stuff, but I'm gonna get into that later. So this is the shoe. Let's not do this right now, guys. Let's not do this right now. So this is what it looks like. Ciao. So this is what okay. So this is what it looks like. It's called Safflower, like I said, and I like these because they look like the other ones are like Azael or something, or I think it's the Azael ones. I'm not sure, but they look exactly like them. But I just like the yellow that's in it. So I got these ones instead of the other ones. I do like the other ones because it's just like all nude colors and white and stuff where the yellow is, but I did like the pop of color that the yellow brings. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's like dark yellow and then there's like brighter yellow, and I really like that. I didn't know that at first, but I watched somebody else's video and they showed it, so I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So this is the bottom of it. The bottom is like kind of like a coralish pinkish type of thing. I think it's like really cute. The shoelaces is not really like shoelace. You have to, I guess, pull it. I haven't pulled it because it works fine for me how it is, how it came. So I guess you just pull it and like it'll go to your desired length or something. One thing I do know about the shoe that people were saying about it is that it doesn't come with like the boost thing. It has some type of like Ava something, so it's not like, I guess, as comfortable as the other versions of Yeezy, like the V1s or V3s. No, like the V1s or the V2s, but I guess they're still comfortable. I think they're still comfortable when you walk around in them. So here's the other shoe. This is what both of them look like. Yeah, I really like these shoes. Like, some people might not like these shoes, but I like them because they look like fish to me. They really look like fish or like sharks to me. I don't know, y'all. I associate things with like animals, shapes, all that stuff, and this looks like a fish to me, and I actually kind of like that it looks like a fish. So in the box it did come with an extra pair of laces, so I'm guessing like if you don't want to do the whole like pulley thing, it came with laces in case you wanted to tie your shoes if you cared that much. So size wise, like I said, I did get these and a 7.5 in men's, and I believe that was the right choice because they're kind of tight like right here, but like I feel like I just have to break them in. Like, I know for a fact if I would have got a 7 like I usually do in men's sizes, I would have had to return them. One thing about the shoe is that they're kind of like hard to get on. Maybe, I don't know, maybe my foot is wide or something, but they're kind of like Well, when I first put them on, the day I got them, my right foot was kind of like, it was harder to get onto my left foot. So maybe it's just like my left foot and my right foot are not proportionate to each other. But, and another thing I don't really like about them is that they have like Adidas clear as day on the back of the shoe. Like, did y'all really have to do it like that? Y'all could have put it on the bottom or something. Like, we clearly know it's Adidas. Hello, it came from Kanye. But like I was saying, for the sizing, I advise you guys to go a half size up on these shoes because they're kind of tight at the top, like at the toe part. But I feel like you're breaking it. I haven't done the whole glow in the dark thing with them, but I've seen people do the pictures and stuff and they turn green and stuff. I really don't care to do the whole glow in the dark thing, but I think it's cool. Another thing on the shoe that I do like is right here. It reflects, like right there. I love anything that reflects, so I really like that part. I'm not sure about right here if it reflects or not. I don't think so, but it kind of looks like, oh no, never mind. That's just air holes so that air could come through my shoe when it's cold outside. So yeah, if you wear these in the wintertime, I advise you to wear some fluffy socks because there's a whole bunch of holes in these shoes. I don't know if you guys can see, but right here is nothing. Like, you can see my finger through it. Like, I don't know about this part, but right here, nothing. I think that's all for this video. I think I got all the points that I needed to get out. I haven't worn them yet, like I said, so I can't really like speak on a whole bunch of other stuff, like if they're good, like if they're that comfortable. Like, I know when I put them on they was comfortable, but like standing for hours or walking around for hours, I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is what the shoes look like. Really cute, 2 different yellows on it. Right, get into it. Right, so I'm about to attempt to show you guys what they look like on foot, and after that, that'll be the end of this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.